Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. In this situation, we need to create about complementary solution and particular solution. So I will go to complementary solution. So in this one, I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first derivative, we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. Because if we do first derivative of this one, we keep about e to the power of lambda s. And later that we do first derivative of this one, and we got about lambda in here. Similar for the second one, and we have lambda square. Because this is about complementary solution, so this one equals to number 0. So we put this one go in here, this one go in here, and this one go in here. So we have 4 lambda square e to the power of lambda s minus number 4 lambda e to the power of lambda s, and the last one is about e to the power of lambda s equals to number 0. Now we have e to the power of lambda s. We can do about factorization. So we have 4 lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 1 equals to number 0. Now we need to calculate about this one. And we have two solutions. That's about lambda equals to 1 over 2. And we have the second one, 1 over 2. So in this situation, we have yc equal to c number 1. That's about the constant number 1, e to the power of 1 over 2s. Because we have same solution in here, so that means on c number 2, we have s e to the power of 1 to the power of 2s. And this is about complementary solution. Now we go to particular solution. In particular solution, we see that about side s, we have negative 3s plus 4. About this one, we can write into negative 4s plus 2 cosine s. So negative number 2 multiplied by 2s and minus 1. So in this situation, we need to create about yb equals to a plus bs sine s plus c plus ds cosine s. So in this situation, we can do first derivative of this one. So we do first derivative of a plus bs. We have b sine s. Next, we do first derivative of sine s. We have cosine s. Next, we do first derivative of c plus ds, and we will have about d cosine s. Next, we do first derivative of cosine s. We have negative sin x. Now we go to second derivative. We do first derivative of sin x. We have cosine x. We do first derivative of a plus bx. We have b cosine x. We do first derivative of cosine x. We have negative sin x. And then we do first derivative of cosine x. We have negative sin x. We do first derivative of c plus dx. We have negative d sin x. And then we do first derivative of sin x. We have cosine x. Now we put everything go in here. So with number 4, we put number 4 in here. So everything in here multiplied by number 4. This one we have negative number 4. So everything here multiplied by negative number 4. The last one we keep the same. Now we need to arrange based on the term of sin x, cosine x, s sin x, and s cosine x. So about sin x, after we arrange everything in here, and we can compare about this one. So we look on coefficient about sin x. We have number 4. So first equation equals to number 4. About cosine x, we have number 2. So this equation equals to number 2. And this one s sin x, we have negative number 3. And the last one negative number 4. So we calculate about this system of equation to find about the value of a, b, c, d. So we have the solution that's about a equal to number 0, b equal to number 1, c equal to number 2, and d equal to number 0. So we go back to this one. So this one we have a equal to number 0. We cancel b equal to number 1. We just put about number 1 in here. So we have s sin x C equal to number 2, so we have 2 cosine x. D equal to number 0, we can solve for x. So we have plus 2 cosine x. And now we have the final answer. YC, we have this one in here. YP, that's about this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.